Hello everyone, this is Destiny Watson, the founder and CEO of You Matter Too and the creator and chairperson of the Homewood-Flossmoor Juneteenth Festival. Reflecting on this journey since we started organizing the festival in 2021, I'm reminded of why we began. In the wake of George Floyd and Breonna Taylor's tragic deaths, I saw our community's profound support through protests, demonstrations, and heartfelt conversations, and I didn't want the support to end there. The main goal behind the festival was to celebrate Black culture, pride, and power as we sought to bring together the community to learn and celebrate the significance of Juneteenth and highlight Black-owned businesses. Amidst the uncertainty of COVID-19, we were unsure of what the event would ultimately look like. We experimented with timed entry to manage attendance, and thankfully on June 11, 2021, the quarantine restrictions were lifted and the outdoor capacity for events were eliminated. Our festival became one of the first opportunities for our community to come together in such a historical way. What made it even more significant is that Juneteenth became a federally recognized holiday leading up to the inaugural festival. What started with 1,200 attendees over the years grew to 5,000, and from 83 Black-owned business vendors to over 150. Once we realized the success of the inaugural event, it became clear that the festival was destined to grow bigger and bigger. We expanded our team, increased our logistics of the layout, security, and much more. Today I have some bittersweet news to share with you. After 4 incredible years, the Homewood-Flossmoor Juneteenth Festival will no longer continue in its current form. Organizing this event has been a true honor and privilege. Together we made history by creating something truly unique and impactful. I want to express my deepest gratitude to our sponsors, vendors, and volunteers who have been with us throughout this journey. Your unwavering support and commitment to our community have been instrumental in making each festival a success. And to my planning team who have become my family throughout this journey, your dedication, creativity, and tireless efforts have been the driving force behind our success. We would not have been able to reach this milestone without each and every one of you. As a small nonprofit, the financial challenges are insurmountable, and without sufficient support, we cannot continue to bear the responsibility of this alone. Nevertheless, we are committed to preserving the spirit of Juneteenth in our community. We will continue the Juneteenth parade and are exploring other avenues to host smaller celebrations that honor this important day. While we have enjoyed giving the gift of the Juneteenth Festival to our community, our biggest joy comes from empowering our youth. Providing impactful programs that transform their lives remains our core mission. If you would like to support our work and continue helping us make a difference, please consider making a donation to You Matter Too. Your contribution will enable us to keep transforming communities and empowering the next generation of leaders. Thank you for being a part of this historic journey with us. Though this chapter is closing, our commitment to uplifting Black voices and celebrating heritage remains steadfast. Together we have made a difference and created lasting memories that will continue to inspire.